Boppers, and welcome back to BOP TOTS Online. We are going to jump straight in and do our hello song. So get your waving hands ready and sing along with me. We're going to wave them in the middle and up high and down low and back to the middle, and get ready to sing along with me. Hello to my left, hello to my right. I put my hands together and I squeeze them really tight. Hello to my right, hello to my left. It's time to sing and dance, there's no time for a rest. Hello everybody, can you wave your hands at me? It's time to do some bopping, so let's listen carefully. Welcome everybody, welcome everyone, welcome everybody. It's time to have some fun. Well done, and thank you for saying hello. Today's dance of the day is in an aeroplane. So hopefully, if you go to BOP TOTS every week, then you'll remember this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our arms out like this, because they're going to be our aeroplane wings. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take off. So we're going to be sitting on the floor like this. We're going to come up, whoa, and we're going to take off onto our flight. And then we're going to zoom around the skies like this in our aeroplane. And then at some point, there'll be a bit of turbulence. So we're going to shake a bit like this, woo, like that. And then we're going to come to a steady position like this. And then we're going to come into land. So we're going to come down to the floor, kneel down, and our wings will come back in. And we'll have landed, okay? So are you ready to do that with me? We're going to sit on the floor, bring your arms out, and we're going to take off. Are you ready? Up we come. Well done. And we're going to fly around the sky. Can you remember the noises we made? We go zoom, don't we? We go zoom. Well done. Oh, can you make the noise with me? Can you say zoom? Ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3, zoom. Well done. Oh, there's a bit of turbulence. We're going to do a bit of shaking. Woo. Oh no, a bit of turbulence, but it's okay. We're still again. So we're going to come into land. Wings in. Woo! Oh, well done. That was brilliant flying and really good turbulence if you were doing lots of shaking like this. Well done in taking off and coming into land. Well done. Now we are going to do our goodbye song, so get those waving hands ready and sing along with me. Can you wave your hands in the middle? Well done if you're waving at home. And get ready to sing along with me. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun. And quick wave, and now we say goodbye. One hand. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. And we are going to finish off by waving up high and down low and really slow and really fast and well done for singing along with me. We will see you next time for our next dance of the day. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.